Well, I like to build cars with bodies that have a wide enough opening where a driver can get out. There's been one instance where a driver was in a bad fire and there wasn't any way he could get out of that car.
Did they get him out?
Yeah, he got out okay on the fire suit saved him. The first instant of fire, when you first see that first orange, you can see the fire through the burned down windows which are on a firewall. And the driver pulls a release handle for the fire bottles which are located in appropriate areas on a chassis with lines to feed into heavy fire areas. And when he pulls on this handle, he can also stop the car at the same time, which is a common thing you'd want to do, is stop and get out. Right now, tires are a little better than what people can get their horsepower to be, so the cars have a tendency to wheel stand. So now it's a big trip ballasting the car up front so that it keeps the car down, and yet still have enough weight where you can have the car launch off of the line initially.